So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to turn your GoPro Hero 12 on or off, and I'll be showing you several ways of doing it. Now, the most obvious way is using the power button, this one right here on the left hand side when you're holding the GoPro like this, and when the GoPro is facing you, it's on the right, this button right here. So what you want to do is long press on that button. You'll hear a beep and the camera will go on, as you can see. Okay, now to turn it off, long press the same button, this one right here, and you'll see the GoPro powering off. Now another way you can do this is using the quick button, this shutter button at the top here. If you press this one, it's going to start the GoPro and start recording. So just press it. It's going to turn on and start recording immediately. When you press it again, it's going to save the video and turn off the GoPro. Now another way you can turn off the GoPro is using voice commands. So let's try. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off. Now, doesn't seem to be getting. It's probably something to do with my accent because I do have the voice control on. GoPro, turn off. Okay, that's not working for me. Now, maybe try it on your own GoPro. Maybe it's an accent issue. Now, if you've tried to turn off GoPro using the methods I've just shown you and it's still not working, then you can just remove the battery. So just open the battery tray and pull out the battery. And when you pull out the battery, of course, the GoPro will go off, and then you can put back the battery. And turn it back on. So those are the different ways of turning your GoPro on or off, and that's for the GoPro Hero 12. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.